Hi, welcome to ADI Technical Training. I'm Matthew. In this video, we are looking at how you would add a QR code reader to the Progeny P4 system. The hardware I'm using today is the Progeny 4002-5A, which is a single door controller with a built-in 5 amp power supply. It's available in 2-door. The reader I'm using is a QR600. The one I've got actually has a keypad on it, but we're not using the keypad function. All we're using is the QR code feature on it. So the request from a customer, actually this is a customer request, is a simple system which is easy to use, easy to manage, and they can add QR codes whenever they need it. So they generate their own QR code. It's a 4-digit number, and it's sent to people's mobile phones, and they simply hold the phone up to the reader and want to gain access. In previous videos, I've shown you how to add a P4 controller to the Progeny system. We have a controller added. All I'm going to do is change the settings on that controller to accept a general Wiegand 26-bit reader. Let's have a look at the electrical connections. It's a fairly standard Wiegand connection, really. 12, data 1, data 0, ground, and then the optional connections are buzzer and LED. So 12 volts is the red cable on the Progeny controller that connects to 12 volts in. The data 0, WG0, is white cable, connects to Y. Data 1 is green, connects to X. Ground is black, connects to 0 volts. And the buzzer and LED optional, they're purple and grey. Now the P4 controller, it gives a genuine buzzer output, so as long as you've got valid access, the buzzer will sound for that period of time. In this particular application I've got here, where it's the end user who's using it, that's quite a good reassurance to them. As long as that buzzer's sounding, they know they've got access. Also an LED output. Again, as long as you've got valid access, the LED will stay on for that period of time. So if you have hearing impaired people, the LED function is quite useful. If it's visually impaired people, the buzzer LED, the buzzer output is quite useful as well. As I say, these are optional. You don't necessarily need them. The reader does give audio and visual feedback when a credential is presented. So with the reader connected, we can then go to the software and configure the reader to be Wiegand 26-bit. This is the P4 software. All we really need to do is go to our site, mine's called ADI, go to the doors tag. This is the controller I've got, double click on that, go to readers, and then change or admin the reader to be 26-bit 8+14. Once that's done, click apply, and that's it. The reader is now configured on the controller for 26-bit input. Next, we need to go to Card Manager, add a new card. What is the card number? Now, I've just created a new one, so if I go to, it is 8789. So 234, leading zeros in Progeny, then 8789. That's the actual token number. First name, we'll call this QR Mobile. It's enabled and it has access to all doors. Click OK, apply, and then OK to that. And that sent the information through to the controller now. So if I get my QR code again, hopefully now if I present this QR code to the reader, we'll have valid access, which I have got. Let's go to events and look at the live events. You can see I've just added 8789 just now. Do it again. You can see there, the QR code mobile. That's it, it's added. So that's a quite simple way. QR codes are deployed. They can be emailed or text or even printed out on a piece of paper if you like. Sent to somebody's mobile phone, or maybe it's on their card or something. And they can then get access through the door. And there you are. That's how you set up a QR code reader in the Progeny software. Thanks very much for watching. All the products mentioned in this training video can be found on our website. Links are below. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks very much.